You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is c equals -8/13. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by c-4. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Multiply by 0. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 8/5 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the 0 numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 5/13. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is c equals -8/13.